Hey everybody, it's Robert Henderson, Henderson's Lineup, where we've been providing you safer and happier driving since 1961. Today I want to introduce you to a friend. Mike Douglas came out from Indiana, and he has got a really cool little Trek motorhome, which is really like Treks, got a lot of parts. This is kind of how we got started on this chassis, Mike, and you got a lot of goodies on there.
Yeah, you told me I think I have everything except one thing, and it's we've been driving it. I used to be a commercial driver, and so I know what the rigs can handle and how they can sway and how they can be difficult. And I'm amazed at the way this runs and drives and handles. And
this Trek is a 2000, and these motorhomes are really built well. So I tell people it's better to take an older motorhome that was built in a quality fashion than to get a new one that's built like a cracker box. And this one here is on the P Series Chevrolet chassis. We've installed our coil springs that don't need airbags, our bell cranks that take the slop out of the steering. Short wheelbase motorhomes like this one are some of the toughest ones. I don't care if it's a diesel pusher or a gas coach. The short ones have more of a tendency to porpoise. So we make a quad shock kit for the front and for the rear of these coaches. We also have a track bar so it doesn't wander around, you know, get the what we call the tail wagging the dog. And it's got a Safety Plus steering control, which helps bring it back on center. And there's probably other parts and pieces underneath here too that we've helped with on this coach. So really happy that we can serve you today, Mike.
Oh, I'm excited to be here and thankful.
We have folks come from all over the United States, as far away as Florida. I know you came quite a long ways. You probably know how many miles it is, don't you?
2,208 is what the GPS said.
So what advice would you give somebody thinking about taking their coach out here to Oregon and having us dial it in for them, Mike?
Well, I confess that I don't have a long history of motorhomes, and I don't have an awful lot of knowledge about it, but I'll tell you why I came. I came because I believed in the man, I believed in his family, I believed in their ethics, I believed in their heart. I knew that I could trust them, and that's why I came. And because they're a blessing to me, and so that's, if you're like me and you don't know everything about bell cranks and all of these things, I would encourage you to find somebody you can trust. Find somebody you can believe, find somebody that's going to treat you like family, and somebody's going to stand behind and show you that they're going to do what they say they'll do. That's why I'm glad to be a part of this video. That's why I'm privileged to be a part of this, and I'm thankful to be a part of all that God's doing here at Henderson.
Well, we're happy you're a part of our family.
Amen.
Thank you, Mike, for the kind words. We do appreciate it. And thank you, folks. If you like this kind of content and you have an older motorhome that you'd like to cherry out, come here to Grants Pass and like and subscribe this video. And for now, we wish you safer and happier driving.